should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Only tomorrow?
We're sorry, we had some technical issues.
But I need it right now! Sue!
Why are you yelling, Sammy?
I'm having a pool party, but I'll get the stuff I need only tomorrow. What to do?
Don't worry, I know how to solve this problem.
Huh? Do you want to say that you wouldn't have a box with all I need?
That's exactly what I want to say. Just look at this.
Wow! It's unbelievable. It looks so cool, Sue. I can't wait to open it. Come on, open up.
It seems to be very full. Plus, it's quite heavy. Okay, let's check what's inside. And the moment of truth. Oh ho! Just look at all these packages. I'm so excited.
Come on, Sue. Hurry up. Huh? Ah!
Oh my Tibidaba. Sammy, where are you? Are you here?
I survived.
Oh, I'm sorry. It was an accident.
It's okay, Sue. Let's start the unboxing.
Let's start with this large blind bag. It feels weird. Like there's something big inside. Wow, it's a Barbie doll. Oh, I really like your hairstyle.
Wait, my pool party. Nothing is done.
Ah! Wait! Ouch! Would you calm down?
I can't. We're having a pool party, and there's no time to prepare.
Stop panicking right now! Sue, we need to speed it up. Open the next baggie already.
Okay, which one should I pick?
Terrible. It's a disaster. Nothing is ready.
Shush! Calm down, dear. We have just started the unboxing. Okay, let's go with this one. How do I open it? Aha! Got it! So, what's inside? Wow, this outfit is so cute. Barbie's gonna love it. Let's change your shoes first. Here we go. Now, let's put on the new ones. Look at you. So stylish. Let me help you put on this lovely jacket and you'll be good to go. Aw, you look stunning, girl.
Thanks a million. I really love it. I gotta go. Oh, and I'm taking this.
Smells like a mystery. Where is she going? I have to find that out.
Hey, come back, you two. We don't have time for mysteries.
I'm just a little bush. I'm not a slime at all. Oh, gotcha. There she is.
Girl, look at this. I think there's something tasty inside. I'm dying to check it out, shall we?
Yay!
Oh, wow. Yummy. Munchies.
Munchies? I gotta get them. Hey, girls. What's the haps?
Hey, it's you, Sammy. You hungry? Come join us.
There's lots of tasty stuff here, even ice cream. I can't say no to ice cream.
Hey everyone, what's up?
Hi, Ken.
Hi, Ken.
Hi, Ken.
Will you come to our pool party tonight?
Oh, thanks. I'll be there.
Huh? The party. Barbie, we gotta go. Hurry. Hey, Sue. Missed us?
Where have you been and what's that on your face?
You see...
We were checking out this.
I don't understand. Why is it empty?
It's a mystery. Ask Sam. He knows.
Huh? What do you mean? Sue, I know nothing. Really?
Okay, I trust you. Let's open the next baggie then. This cute unicorn must hide something awesome. Wow, how cool is this? A bright surfing board and an orange vest. I wish I had the same.
Oh. Sue, I can't believe my eyes. Holy cannoli. It looks like something right out of my dreams. Whee! I'm conquering the waves. I feel so free. Yoo-hoo! So free, yeah.
Earth to Sammy.
Huh? What? Oopsie.
This outfit is too hot for today's weather. Could I put on anything else?
Sure, Barbie. It must be inside one of these boxes. Yes, here it is. Stunning pink dress.
I'll be in the fitting room. Excuse me?
Here you go.
So, what do you think? Don't I look gorgeous?
Wow, could I take a few pictures?
Sure.
I'm a born photographer.
Sammy, what's on your head?
It's my new hat. Cool, right?
Not really. It's a life vest. We'll need it for the pool party. Safety comes first.
But that color fits me so well. Ugh.
Well, that's true. Huh? What's going on inside this package? Oh, a cute little puppy.
Charlie, where did you go? Charlie, come here, boy! Where are you? Ah, there you are, my baby. Come here, I've got something tasty for you. Ah! Ouch! Help me, somebody!
Oh, poor thing.
Oh no, it's ruined! Everything is ruined. My dress, my hair.
Please, calm down. We can fix it in a jiffy, you'll see. I think what we need is in this package. Wow, what a cute gown. Put it on while you're waiting.
I think Barbie will find it more comfortable sitting on this.
Here, sit down and relax.
I already feel better. Thank you.
You will feel even better in a moment, I promise. Look at these beautiful hair extensions. Which one do you want? Pink or blue?
Ooh, tough choice. Blue.
Then blue it is.
Great choice because pink is my color. It suits me way better.
Let's brush your hair first. Don't worry, I'll try to be gentle. Now let me take off this hairband and put on the new one. So pretty.
How do I look?
Nice! But still, pink is the best color in the world.
Okay, here's the next pretty box. There must be a swimsuit for you, Barbie. Yes, look how cute it is. Aw, and the bag too.
I love my new outfit. Thank you.
Wait, we need to apply some sunscreen.
Huh? Sunscreen? Really?
Duh! It is very important. Otherwise, you may get sunburn.
It tickles. Can I go now? Huh? Hey, I'm looking for the best pool party. Is it here? Whoa! My guests are here.
Sue, I gotta run too.
Hi, Barbie. Thanks for coming. Thanks for inviting me. Do you have any floaties? Sue?
A floaty is coming right up. At least I hope it's in here. Yay! Oh, it's so cute! Barbies are gonna love it. Here it goes. Enjoy your pool party.
Wow, thank you. It's the best floaty ever.
My skin is protected. The sky's cloudless. It's time to sunbathe. But where are the sun chairs? Sue!
I'm working on it, Sammy. Voila! Oh, this sun chair looks very comfortable and so bright. Here you go, Sammy.
Oh, it's perfect. Well, almost perfect. I wouldn't say no to a cold, sweet drink, you know.
Hey guys, I'm gonna make fresh smoothies. What a great idea. Thank you for taking care of it, Barbie. Ooh, I'd love a pineapple smoothie.
Let's take a quick party break and I'll show you how to make such a box. First, we need to make several circles with a compass. There we go. Now, using a cutout circle, we need to draw a few more lines. That's what you should have on each part right here. These lines will help us assemble this box later. Now, we cut it all out. Voila! And the last step, the assembling. Don't hurry and follow the lines carefully. Now, check out this magic. Ta-da! All done! As you see, this package is pretty easy to make.
Wait, Sue, you made it yourself? Really?
Yep, easy peasy. Do you like it?
Sure. What I don't like is that our guests are waiting for us.
Hi, girls. I brought some cool sunglasses.
Ooh, I could use a pair, thanks. So cool.
And these are for you.
Let's get the party started.
Guys, but what about music?
Oh, great. Good thinking, Sammy.
Are you ready, people?
That's the coolest party I've been to. Thanks, Barbie.
This is awesome! Don't forget to like this video!
And subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
Bye-bye, everyone!
8 hedges, just like the ones drawn on the map. This little moss, can we count on you?
Uh-huh.
And mini toadstools, lots of mini toadstools, just like the big royal toadstool, but mini. Cap, Daffodil, can you handle that?
You got it, Rose. Although, don't you think some yellow flowers would be nice?
Normally, yes, but not today. Lady Ladybug was very clear about this. Okay, Lilac and I will take the rest. Let's get to work.
Fresh berry juice coming through.
Yeah!
Here you go. This will give you lots of vitamins and energy for planting. And this is Chef Thorne's secret recipe. A mix of 5 different berries and...
Bucky, what does secret recipe mean?
That it's a secret. Oh, right. Enjoy your juice.
I've had some juice already, but you all drink up. We have lots to do. We need to get to work fast.
That was yummy. Excuse me.
Okay, Lilybuds, let's make some magic.
Now that's a perfect hedge. One more time.
Wow, Thistle! How did you do that? Excellent! Just like the royal toadstool, but mini. That isn't what I meant to do.
I don't think it's even a real mushroom, is it? Oh no! It's happening to me too!
Daff, why are these bright yellow daffodils in the roses?
Whenever we hiccup, our magic goes wrong.
Help! Catch that mushroom!
Come on, Ross. We need to squish this hedge. I'm sorry, Rose. Something went crazy with our magic.
Nothing looks like Princess Olivia's map. Everything's so not formal or peaceful or anything she wanted. Rose, don't worry. If all of this is because of hiccups, we simply have to stop the hiccups. Do you think you can stop?
Hello?
Oh no, it's Lady Ladybug. Go on, keep her over there. I'll figure this out. Go! Cap, Daffodil, come back! Okay, we don't have much time. We need to stop these hiccups. Oh, hello, Lady Ladybug. Such an honor to see you again. What brings you here? I told you I would check on your progress. Let's take a look. No, I mean, not now. I mean, wouldn't you rather wait and be surprised? Why would I be surprised? I've seen Princess Olivia's designs. I know what you're doing. Oh. Of course you do. I meant it's always such a surprise when something comes to life exactly as you planned. Don't you think?
Just stay very still and listen closely to the music. This will make the hiccup stop, I hope. Take a deep breath.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, Cap!
Well, what's going on here then? And is there any food involved?
Boo! Did it work?
I don't know. What were you doing?
I was trying to scare you so your hiccups would stop.
That never works. What's all this about hiccups?
Ellery, now is not the time. Daffodil, are you sure you still have the hiccups? This is all you've done? Oh no, we have a team of Lilybuds, each carefully planting the royal garden, all according to the map. So if you'd like to come back later and... Wait a minute. Where's your friend? The fancy one. Lilac? Yes, that one. She seemed quite sure of herself. I'd like to speak to her. No, wait a minute.
It's unbelievable. The do-gooder Ladybuds are completely out of control. Time to go before I'm blamed for any of this.
Good news, our hiccups are gone.
Bad news? Oh, we didn't have time to fix anything. Well, it's definitely not what we were supposed to do. But you have to admit, it has style. Oh no! Oh no! Princess Olivia won't like this at all. It's not beautiful or peaceful or formal or... Great goosenecks, what is that thing? I'm sorry, Ladybug. We let you down. Never mind about me. What about Princess Olivia and Prince Norbert? The garden is his favorite place in the kingdom. Oh, it's all my fault, no one else's. I was nervous about getting the work done, so I told everyone to drink their berry juice quickly, and it gave them the hiccups. With all due respect, Ladybug, I think it looks interesting. Interesting? That wasn't on the map.
Wait till you slide on the hedges. It's fun. Now you have to admit, it's different.
And delightful.
Keep your eyes closed, my darling. We're almost there. Do something. Oh! Your Majesties, Princess Olivia, I gave them the map that you designed, but they...
You designed this for me, for my birthday.
Well, you see, Prince Norbert, we can fix it.
Why would you fix it? I love it! It's the most amazing royal garden I've ever seen. I can't believe how well you know me, my darling.
Prince Norbert, you've got to try the curly slide.
The prince is right. It is the most amazing royal garden ever. Thank you from the bottom of my webbed feet. Now, if you will excuse me, I'm going to join the fun.
Here you go, for a job well done today.
Be careful, everyone. Go slow or you'll all get the hiccups again. Just kidding. Go on. What could possibly happen?